What's it? Are you getting a new hip? Did you get a new hip? When will you get a new hip?
Have you won hips? When will you wear hips? Shows you fucking accent too. Like that shit just.
Oh fuck, I'm being the archetype of person who used to be active in chat, now only comes in to say weird shit occasionally.
That's 100% you.
That's exactly you.
Like, and we've taken notice.
You come in to tell us a weird fact about your day and then leave before we can even respond to you.
Not even. Sometimes he just comes in. He's like, "Hey guys," and he's gone.
Like right now? What's good, beef cheddar? Yeah, like right now.
Just to say it can't work like this.
What?
What? Oh. That will show up and then disappear for a year or two, but you'll still remember me because I was annoying as fuck.
Wait, where'd it go?
You're not even gonna tell us, Bags.
Just later.
I want it. It's a musket.
Fuck yeah.
That's awesome.
He really
So
isn't gonna
what?
fucking tell us.
Now he's gone.
So something happened. So something I noticed about Power Rangers, I'm not 100% sure, but makes the most sense as to why they've done it. What is it? They copyright. The copyrights have changed hands so many times over the years that they've had to record voice lines of older clips.
I feel like that could make sense. Yeah, this can go back up there. Do not need it.
Because they don't know who to pay for the voice acting anymore.
Mm-hmm.
I decided to do this with too much stuff. Kick ass bucket hat.
Making like a cartoon horse running noise.
Different. Huh.
highly effective doing it that way.
Is that?
Yeah.
Wake up from your nap.
It's dreaming of birds.
What are you dreaming about?
Also, dark crystal age over this hole.
Let's go.
Yeah. All right. I hope it fits.
If it doesn't, you can have it.
Too big for me. I bet the brim goes out a little too much on that
Yeah.
one, but that can be adjusted.
It's good.
Yeah?
It's just ooh.
Yeah?
Like women's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Slightly. Like good. I like it.
It would benefit from being slightly more slanted,
Yeah.
though.
I like it. Hell yeah. We need a bucket hat.
You gotta show everybody.
Oh,
What?
I wasn't expecting that. Do I wear it like a fucking fedora?
The fedora. You gotta
Am I gonna
fucking
put it
turn it up with the hood, brother.
full camouflage?
Yeah.
Make me a mask.
It was more like this,
Mm-hmm.
like, kind of sticked out.
Mm-hmm.
Like a cowboy hat.
Flat brim cowboy hat.
It was
I like these things, whatever they're called.
pilots. I could maybe make it more slanted, but I'd have to like cut into it
Uh,
a little triangle, shove it together, and like zigzag stitch over it. Would be a little fucky.
I like it the way it is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will be sitting on the bus and people are gonna be like, "Who's that grandma that's gangstered up?" Fun.
With neck frills like a Dilophosaurus or iguana. That's funny. They're just recycling stuff. The fuck is this? Knock to ask to collaborate. No. It's annoying.
Dog.
Oh, he's streaming.
Guess he's live too.
Those Aika. Thank you for hanging out, big homies. There's a link to my website if you're new here. Got my past projects, past commissions, store info section you guys can take a look at. Get an idea of the kind of work I do around here. There is also... What the fuck did I just do? Anyways, there's also a link to the YouTube channel you guys can take a look at. If you guys like watching crafting videos and walkthroughs, I'll link to the Discord if you guys are into the whole Discord thing. I'm going to be rating Aika Creation. She's a local here in Quebec, and she does all kinds of little accessories, things like that. She's also a makers and craft hair. So I'm going to go ahead and rate her. And I don't know about tomorrow. I don't know what's going on tomorrow. What are we tomorrow?
Thursday.
Thursday? Okay. Yeah, I don't know what's going on tomorrow. We'll see. There's always something to work on, though. So we shall